Okay, in this edition of How to Draw, you're going to need a pencil. I use the Prismacolor turquoise pencils. You're going to need a ruler, and you're going to need an eraser. So we're going to start with drawing a simple triangle. We're going to make a simple puppy. You might not be able to see the triangles, but that's just fine. It doesn't need to be all that dark. As a matter of fact, you don't want a dark triangle. You can see the triangle, right? And if it does not connect at the bottom, that's not a big deal. Remember, Mother Nature makes nothing perfect. So what we're going to do is we're going to start by at the top. Okay, we want to get the basic outline for the head of a puppy. Okay, in doing so, we can work from the outside to the center. So what we're going to do is we're going to start here, because this is about the center of the triangle, and we're going to bring this down, okay, because this right here is going to be about the ear. This will be about the ear. This will be about another ear. Okay? So we're going to bring this down. Just like that. Now, same with over here. I will turn the paper. You don't have to, but I do. And then we'll bring this down. This is just for beginners. Later on, I'll be adding more advanced. Now, you got to remember, ears on puppies, when it comes down, they actually come out a little bit and then round down. Okay? See that? It will actually come down and round down. Okay? On this side, see how we have this rounding down just like that? Now on this side, we're going to round it down right here. Okay? Easiest way to do this is try to imagine what a puppy's ear looks like if the ear is kind of perked up a little bit. So we're gonna bring out just a hair, and then remembering our triangle line for where the ear is going to be, you want to round this off. You don't want sharp points, not on puppies. And then round that down. Here's where the eraser comes in handy. We're drawing our lines very lightly, because if you make a mistake, you can always erase it. Okay? And then we're going to bring this ear down. Now remember, down here is going to be approximately where the puppy's mouth will be. Mouth, nose, you know. Just a cute little puppy. And then we're going to actually round this ear in. Now you got to remember, we're not quite halfway down. Okay. So let's actually bring it down just a touch more. And we're going to round this in. Okay? You see that? See how we're rounding that in? Just like that. That shows you can actually start to see the ear. Now, you notice how we brought this part right here in a touch. We're going to actually round this off for the top of the puppy's head, because of course the puppy's not going to look like a Frankenstein with a flat head. And then what we're going to do is we're going to draw a very light line right here. Okay? There. And then from here, we're going to bring another line up. Okay?